Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
Them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch not hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright. Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa. You know the style me there, I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Chef Young, you know badness going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Man.
feel that I'm in a carnival in Trinidad. Jamaica, Trinidad, the whole Caribbean, right? Nice. You see when Farmer pick up his groove music. Groove soca music where you have to hold a girl and dance. This is a dancing soca music. Give me a dancing tune again. What we doing this afternoon? Everybody know chill, chill, come on, chipping on the shit, chill, come on, chill, to the action, what we doing this afternoon? Chipping on the road with the big Could you please make some noise and mass and give it? Yeah. Let's dance. Let me dance. Go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh na na na. Say, we are dancing. That was standing on the tree. Oh na na na. We make a do to be waiting. Watching you from the side, I walk in the streets of mine. When the baile again, we dancing all night there. Girl, I'm gonna prove it right here. Oh yeah, because you got me on TikTok, baby, till the sun come up. Don't stop the clock, keep your company. Because you got me on TikTok, last morning, oh yeah, baby, just give me a feeling. We got the whip of feeling. I want to stay by the skin and she slide it. Come on, groove for the ladies now. to see everybody inside of here jumping when I count it. You ready? Let me go. Left foot, I want to see everybody jumping, Who believe in God, put your hand in the air. If you believe in the Almighty Father, put your hand in the air. You know, it have a lot of bad mind people like to celebrate negative. When you feel they laugh at you, don't ever let nobody spoil your joy. When you get up in the morning, you owe nothing to nobody. This tune is for them. Give me the tune. I want to see everybody go so. Go so. Who believe in love? Go so. Happiness, prosperity, peace. Listen to the argument. Listen carefully. Say, troubles may come, but I'm afraid so. Devil not try, but he does never learn. So let's try me mind. If I tell you, just look at the smile. I when they do me wrong, I do them right. I'm just a man who does pray at night. Come on, live.
Shout out to Chef Young. He's here getting his Heineken at Jerkfest. We're here about to see all the artists. So
I say hi to the camera.
Alright, peace out guys.
Alright. Alright, so we're at the host of Jerk. here, so you see the line? See the line? Yeah? Good food. Watch out going here, sir. Watch out. Festival and jerk chicken. Special sauce and thing. Oxtail. Pork. Rice and beans. It's a ripe plant and thing, you understand? See that? That's nice. Also jerk. See big chef here, you know? Tell them what I'm going to do.
Outside jerk.
Also jerk, top chef.
Jerk
You
fest.
see me?
Mad. See it.
2024.
2024, you see it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
You know, so
Now watch
yeah.
out going on PS3 now, watch out.
I mean, man, put him on. What you mean?
Yeah? I put it right?
Yeah, man, I put him on. Potato put.
Hold on there. Look how I'm going here, sir. So I put it look nice, watch out. See it?
Yeah, man. Potato put.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Big top chef them.
Don't forget Krista. Shout out to First Class.